Every minute spent brazing is a minute lost on the job site. That's why HVACR professionals are turning to Braze-Free connection solutions. At Nexcon, we developed innovative connection system designed for modern HVACR installations. From manufacturing to quality control, every fitting is produced to meet demanding industry standards. Our portfolio includes Z-push fittings, Crimp systems, and press systems, providing flexible solutions for different project requirements. Trusted across VRF, commercial HVAC, and refrigeration applications, Nexcon helps contractors work safer, faster, and more efficiently. From factory floor to job site, Nexcon delivers Braze-Free HVACR solutions.